Oi everybody, Juliana here. Today we'll be making some delicious hot chocolate recipes. It's so cold in Canada now, and there is nothing better than a nice hot chocolate mug to enjoy over snowy days. And if you're in a hot country, you can make the recipes and just put your drinks in the fridge and have them cold. So I will show you 3 delicious and super tasty ways to give that special touch to your hot chocolate skills. So let's do it! These recipes for those days you just want to make a quick, easy, and of course, still very tasty hot chocolate. Add to a medium pot 1½ cups of milk, ½ cup of cream, 2½ tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and if you want to boost your chocolatey taste, add 1/4 teaspoon of espresso powder. Whisk until combined and cook over medium heat, bringing to a boil. Turn the heat off and add 130 grams of chopped dark chocolate, at least 70%. A good quality of chocolate, these are the ones I'm using. Whisk until very smooth and creamy, until all the chocolate is melted. Serve with marshmallows on top, and for sure use a torch if you have one. You can also add some chocolate shavings on the top. Make it with a chocolate bar and a cheese grater. The burnt texture and flavor from it brings this hot chocolate to the next level. For our second recipe, we will be making an Italian-style hot chocolate. Into a medium pan, add 2 3/4 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, sift together 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract. Whisk very well until all combined. Cook over medium to low heat until it gets thick, 3 to 5 minutes. One nice tip here, if you cook over high heat, it will get thick too quickly and you will get a starch taste. So always cook over medium to low heat. Slow and steady wins the race. Turn the heat off and add 140 grams of dark chocolate. Again, a very good quality chocolate. Whisk until all combined. Serve with whipped cream and chocolate shavings on top. Honestly, adding more chocolate is my favorite part. Thick and very rich, just like Mama used to make. For our last recipe, we're going to make a hot chocolate where you can actually add any flavor you like. It's just about infusing the milk with some spices or any flavor you want. So I will just create my own and show you how you can also do it. And I will use a flavor that I love, chai tea. Into a medium pan, bring to a boil 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of cream. I'm using a lighter cream, like 18% of fat. Turn off the heat and add 3 bags of chai tea. With any flavor you're making, it will always be at this time that you add and let it infuse. Nutella, spices, cinnamon, vanilla, or other teas as Earl Grey, which is one of my favorites. Cover the pan with plastic wrap for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, give a little stir. Add 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and warm it up again. Strain it over 120 grams of chopped dark chocolate and whisk until well combined. Serve with a cinnamon stick, mini marshmallows, some chocolate shavings, and really go nuts! Those are a bunch of delicious hot chocolate recipes you can make all winter and never get bored. Some can be very quick, and some, if you put a little more time, you can have a coffee shop style hot chocolate made at home. I hope you enjoyed them and added them to your recipes. If you got value from this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!